Artificial intelligence has transitioned from a distant notion to the reality today. Despite the remarkable strides AI has made, businesses continue to struggle with extracting meaningful value from their data. Storing massive amounts of data is one thing, but harnessing its power is another. Lack of a suitable IT infrastructure to support AI workloads is one of the biggest challenges many enterprises face. To address these challenges, I want to show you how HPE GreenLake for file storage can help. Here's an example of how you can harness the value from your data today by augmenting a trained large language model, or LLM, with your own data, all supported by an infrastructure with HPE GreenLake for file storage system. In my lab environment, I deployed an AI-driven financial assistant chatbot using a pre-trained LLM combined with RAG, a retrieval augmented generation technique. This AI tool integrates conversational interactions about my private financial data, and that data is securely hosted on premises without the need to be connected to the internet. Let me walk you through how it works. The RAG technique assimilates various document types and embeds their content into numerical representations within a vector space. It starts when a user prompts the chatbot with a query. The bot then combines the prompt with the enhanced context retrieved by RAG, and then inputs that data into a pre-trained LLM. This then generates a natural response with the pertinent information. Now that you have a basic understanding of the LLM plus RAG workflow, let's shift our focus to the underlying infrastructure. While my setup utilizes a single DL385 server as the application host, it is easily scalable within a Kubernetes environment simply by adding additional servers. These servers are connected to an HPE GreenLake for file storage system via a 100 gigabit Ethernet switch network. The benefit of using HPE GreenLake for file storage system is that the inferencing workload running on my servers, accessing the storage system using RDMA and GPU Direct, highly parallelizes the workload and significantly improves performance. It's crucial to acknowledge that my lab setup pales in comparison to real-world inferencing production environments. Deployments in production often encompass billions of tokens for RAG, span across hundreds of sites, and includes complex logging and data aggregation processes. For that reason, businesses are facing many challenges in deploying inferencing infrastructures. Some of the worst offenders are ensuring GPU-worthy performance and connectivity. Wouldn't it be a pity to waste GPU's highly parallelized computational power and prices only to be bottlenecked at the network and storage layer? Second, complexity. The complexity in managing production environments for setup and maintenance can be overwhelming. After all, you want to spend your valuable time on solving your business problems, not maintaining IT infrastructures. Third, scalability. Without a scalable architecture, expanding the infrastructure can be impossible to accommodate growing needs. The scaling often requires performance, capacity, or both. Lastly, the lack of enterprise features. Customers expect features like data replication, cross-protocol access, and auditing. Even though my lab environment might seem simplistic, it can easily scale to a full production AI inferencing environment. It addresses all these different pain points because of the HPE GreenLake for file storage system. Specifically, it takes care of performance because it has the GPU Direct, RDMA, and multipathing support. And these, combined with the 100 gigabit Ethernet and InfiniBand hardware support, give you the full advantage of the highly performant HPE GreenLake for file storage system. The HPE GreenLake platform addresses complexity by simplifying management through our data services cloud console. You can manage your multi-site, multi-array storage infrastructure from anywhere with internet connectivity. In addition to that, the same platform can manage not only storage infrastructure, but also so much more, such as compute, networking infrastructure, and other cloud services all in one place. To address scalability, the shared everything architecture HPE GreenLake for file storage system provides facilitates independent and linear scaling of performance and capacity. And last but not least, HPE GreenLake for file storage system provides a rich set of enterprise features such as replication, cross-protocol capabilities, auditing, and alerting. Not only that, these features are all available with standard NAS protocols, including NFS and SMB, without any specialized setup with the application hosts. I hope this glimpse into my simple example of LLM and RAG inspires you to unlock the value from your data with AI. And when you're ready to embark on your AI journey, HPE is here to help.